What's up, my dude? So I know new season of Jujutsu Kaisen is expected to release in mid to late in 2025, either in July. So we all know the new season isn't dropping out until July 2025. But let's be real. Why to wait for hype to get started before building your own legendary look? We all know Toji Jacked physique is always in style. By the time the season hits, you could be walking around with that same insane V-taper, those bulging arms, and it's just that looks like it could stop traffic just like me. So let's break it down how you get started on a path becoming your own version of Toji. I have got a gym plan and a body weight plan. A gym plan and body weight plan. So there is no excuses. So let's do this. So firstly let's talk about, and I will analyze the Toji physique little bit for you. So why Toji physique is at the ultimate goal? Because Toji physique is a complete balance of power, and he's got like a wide shoulder, thick back. That's iconic V-taper, we all know. Then he got good arms, like big arms, like big biceps that pops off. Then good amount of triceps. Then a lean waist means low body fat with the visible abs. Then he has an athletic build. He's not just a big, he's also functional, he's also exclusive. The best part, you don't need to be a soccer to build this kind of physique. You just need the right plan, consistency, and a little bit of grind. That's who we all are into. So let's get on to it. So starting with our gym program. Our gym program is a 4-day program, which means you need to go 4 days in a gym, then 2 days you can take a rest, or I mean 3 days. So because by default we all take rest in Sunday. So it's like on day one we do this, Monday on this, then we will do on Tuesday, then after that we will take rest, then again Thursday, Friday, then we will take rest, and on Monday we will repeat. So starting with our gym program. So this is the kind of like a blueprint to building that Toji like physique. It is a full body program. You will hit all key muscles group every week. So here's a breakdown. Starting with day one, Monday. So squats. You need to do 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Now legs might not be the focus, but squats are non-negotiable for overall muscle growth because we all know testosterone boost. Moving forward, our bench press, which is 4 set and 8 to 10 reps. Now it builds our chest, shoulders, tricep. Go with heavy but keep the form tight. Moving forward, dumbbell rows, 4 sets of 8 to rep per arms. Balance out the pushing with some pulling, and like we all know, wide back is equal to V taper. That's our secret. Moving forward, cable lateral raise. Again, we superset with face pull and tricep push downs. Now we wanna do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps of each exercise, and with my maybe lightweight. So it is a kind of like a killer giant set for your shoulder and arms. And our last exercise is gonna be a barbell curl over 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, because who doesn't want a bigger biceps? Now our next day is day 2, Tuesday. We will do pull-ups 4 set to failure, the ultimate back width builder, then double overhead press 4 set to 8 to 10 reps, because front delt for this rounded shoulder we all know, then overheaded tricep extension 3 sets of again 10 to 12 reps. Meteor arms, we all know. Yes, please. Then hammer curls, bicep and forearms, double win. So 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Mm, Then our machine reverse fly and return race. Again, it is a superset. So don't neglect those real deads who you should do real deads, because that's a kind of a way to make shoulder rounded. Then 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps each. Then our trap bar shrugs. We all know bigger traps equals to intimidating presence. So 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps, 12 to 15 reps. Then hollow body squat. Hollow body holds, not squats. So 5 sets over 60 seconds. And if you easily do 60 seconds, you can adjust time according to you. Because apps are so strong, you will feel like a superhero. Then our third day of the week, we will do start with goblet squat, 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps, later leg work to keep the gains coming. Then our barbell overhead press, 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps because front delts on fire. Then our chin ups, 3 sets to failure, back and bicep baby. Then our incline dumbbell press, 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps because upper chest for that full rounded kind of look. Then double press along with the wrist curl superset, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps each exercise. Arm day never ends. Then our farmer walk because we're gonna get a grip strength for a forearms of our day. So what we need to do farmer walk. So 3 sets, 60 seconds. If you can do easy for 60 seconds, don't increase the timing. Keep the timing according to 60 seconds. Just increase your weight. Then our last day of week starting with the barbell rows. 4 set of 8 to 10 reps. Again, thick back means thick gains. Then close grip bench press. 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps, which means we are focusing on tricep for those massive arms. Then lateral raise cable reverse flies as a superset. 3 sets for 12 to 15 reps of each. And if I accidentally misread some reps like tell 8 to 10 rather 15 to 12, then you just focus on screen and focus on the written area if I misread. So moving forward, dumbbell curls, 3 set, 10 to 12 reps, and mix it up like with the spider curls if you want, or preacher curls. Then dumbbell shrugs, 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps, again traps and grip strength. Then hanging re-raise, finish strong with some abs and 3 set to failure. Now, if you don't have access to, firstly, take a screenshot of this. I hope you have taken a screenshot. Now, if you don't have a gym, don't have equipment, no worries. Here's a body weight program for you. Here's how you can build a Toji like physique at home. So, starting with our day one, Monday. So starting with jump squats, 4 sets of 15 to 20 reps. It is for leg power and explosiveness. Then our push-up, 4 sets to failure for our chest and tricep. For our inverted row, 4 sets to failure for back and bicep. Then lateral raises, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. You can use a water bottle and milk carton for the side depths. Then spinach, how you called it in West, I don't know. I call it spinach. Push-ups, tricep on a fire, 3 sets to failure. Then our chin ups for back and bicep again, 3 sets to failure. If you don't know how to do any single exercise, you can comment. I can put my videos of each single exercise for specifically for you. Just you need to tell me in the comments and I will do take care of it. Now moving forward, day 2. And if you want this another workout that doesn't contain a single equipment, maybe not even boulders, you just need to do calisthenics like only push-ups and bodyweight exercise, then you can adjust the program. You need to tell me. Moving forward, our pull-ups, 4 set to failure, back weight, pike push-up, 4 set to failure, shoulder and tricep, then bodyweight tricep extension, 3 set to failure, deep stretch for bigger arms, then our inverted row, again back and biceps, 4 set to failures. Then our lateral raise, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps, our side delt, then our hollow body holds, 5 set of 60 seconds for core strength. Then our on day 3, we'll do Bulgarian split squats of 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps per leg. It is for legs and glutes. Then pike push up again, 4 sets to failure for shoulder and tricep. Then our chin ups, 3 set to failure, back and bicep. Then our decline push up, 4 set to failure for upper chest. Hanging finger curls for forearms grips and 3 set to failure for dead hands. For 3 set to failure, forearms endurance. Last day of a week, inverted row, 4 sets to failure for back and bicep. Closed grip push up, 4 sets to failure, tricep focus. Lateral raise, 3 set of 12 to 15 reps for side delt and hanging knee raise for 3 set to failure. Now I have a completed workout. Now let me give you some pro tips, starting with our progressive overload. So whether you are adding weight or reps, just keep pushing yourself. So your body adapts when you challenge it. So you need to add a weight to make a stimulus ongoing and your progress going on. Second thing is diet and recovery. You can't train a bad diet because eat clean, sleep well, recover like a champ. It's a slogan that is quite popular nowadays. Everybody knows. If you want a specific diet, what you should eat, you can comment. But if you want to optimize micronutrient and a basic general idea, so I have created a video. I will add a link in description, or you can check the first of the one of the first videos of my channel. Then lastly, our consistency. No matter how hard you train, no matter how good your diet is, if you don't stick to the program, you'd never see your results. So like it's a kind of Rome wasn't built in a day, neither is Stoic physique. So last final thoughts, my man, if you are serious about building your physiques like Toji program, this is all your blueprint from hitting gym and working out at home. The key is to stay consistent and push your limits. And hey, if you want a detailed program like tips on diet recovery, check out this link in description. Let's get after it. Will you got this? Catch you in the next video. Until then, stay strong and keep grinding.